Hello everyone. We are looking at determinant chapter phase 5, exercise 1, and we are question number 13. Question is without expanding, find the value of. All right. So if a determinant is given to us and basically it is finding the value without expanding, meaning we have to use a property of determinant. Anyways, we must always use a determinant property. We must find first. So here, if you look clearly, 8, 16, 24. 8, 16, 24. We can take 8, factor out 8. So what is it becoming? 3 minus 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 3. And if 8 is factored out, 1, 2, and 3. All right, 8 will come out. Here, if any two rows or any two columns are identical, that means the value of the determinant is 0. 8 into 0 is 0. So the property that we have to remember is if any two row, any two column are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. And we can always factor out from any row, from any column, any scalar quantity. Thank you.